Hi and welcome to the Beae tutorial series. In this video, I will tell you about the tags element in the Beae website builder. So firstly, when you guys have opened up the Beae website builder, this is the dashboard that you guys are going to be seeing. On the left side, you guys have the element for tags. Simply drag and drop it over here. And then as soon as you guys drag and drop it, this is how it's going to look like in front of you guys. On the right side, you guys can change the title for this particular element to be whatever else that you guys might need. You guys can change it to any text. You guys can add any text, and you guys can also add in special tags over here by simply typing them out on your keyboard. Then below that, you can also increase or decrease the spacing between different tags. So for example, if I have multiple tags over here, like I am doing it over here, I can increase the spacing between them, and of course I can change them whenever I like. Up top, I can also add in a preview as well from any one of my blogs. And then after that, of course, I have my basic stuff done with this particular element. Then up top, I can change the style of the title as well. I can change the alignment. I can change the text color. I can change the typography as well. I can change the font family, the size of the font, the weight, and also I can transform the text as well. I can change its style. I can also change its decoration to be underlined, overlined, line through, or none. And then below that, I also have the option for line height and letter spacing as well. So guys, these are all the options that you get in the title feature. And then below that, you have the option for tags link. In the tags link, you guys can change the typography of the tags by using all the features that I mentioned in the previous typography option. And also you guys can add in text shadow, box shadow. You can change the animation to be hover or to be normal. You can also change the text color, the background, the border. And also you guys have many different hover animations as well, to be grow, shrink, or to rotate. And then of course at the end you also have the milliseconds that it would take for the hover animation to complete. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.